Blay pi baro ipnang subhai pi shikatup kubo mantaka janmiat shaban paj kubo kubnya ini petchuai kimat bakongsan. Blay umudi bat umentri dang badu ke Australia ya ke Friendship Hall of Fame ha Ahmedabad. Penyait ukon rat sangma ya ke jengelang beningkong ke kenhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2. Syajid Thomas E. Sangma kum ulampang bertemai ke yang dorbar tawaan ke jela. Bat sedang ke dorbar mang tingkah ba arsngi ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Ki kubor ki berbenyak. Menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi bat menteri rang badu ke Australia Anthony Albanese hne ke sngi ke leshim benta ban pet kai ya ke jengilek kai kriket ha ke sngi beningkong jong ke jengilek kai test ke basau jong ke border Gavaskar Trophy ha Ahmedabad. Baru arngut ki menteri rang ba ke play ya ke Friendship Hall of Fame ke ba peninam ya ke history bariu spa jong ke jengilek kai kriket ha preng ke India bat Australia. Hashwa baru arngut ki nongelam kila IT ya ki tupia lek kai shalaki jong ki captain but I mensim ru ya ki nongelek kai. La pelong ya kene ke jengilek kai ban rakhi ya ke jingdap nyopusan snem jong ka jingedai parlok ha ke jengilek kai kriket mentau snem. Ka jingelang beningkong jong ke kenhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ke lalong ne ke sngi hapo ke jing penyat menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad ki sangma. Abakren shikala patai kubor usangma uloong bakarai beningkong ke belashim ha ke jingelang ke long banwanra ya ke contingency fund. Jong ke Meghalaya Amendment Bill ahajar apulai bat karai ke baar ke long ban menjur bat pendamno ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act ahajar apuai. Hashwa ke Sorkar ke menjur ya ke ordinance ban pendam ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act ahajar apuai. Umin tudang ba ulai tu ba kila donru kiwei ki kam ki boleh kren ha ke jingelang bakentup ya ke jingtung ya laingut kinong aik tien ke kenhun menteri nalor umin tudang ba bat sembut menteri dang ba ke jela uba Preston Tingsong. Kini ki laingut kinong aik tien ke kenhun menteri ke Sorkar ken kentup ya ke kong Amperin Lingdo Marcus Marak bat uba Paul Lingdo. Syu umin tudang ba ula benrap ba kedor bar mang kan mang tingkah kan sedang ha ke apho terik uluber.
Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed.
MLA ke National People's Party NPP na Not Tura Thomas E Sangma ula syajit kum ulampang ke yang dorba tawaan ke jela klem kinu kinong ikun. Usangma unmi bujuli ya uba medba lingdo jong ke United Democratic Party ubabat ya ke nega kerdan ha ke samoi traikam ke beladam. Ulampang Bashipor Timothy Shira ula pemenaya Thomas kum ulampang bapura naba kadon tang ke wei ke kerteng ke belatam. Thomas ula longteng MP ke Raja Sabha nadu usnam ahaja pra ha ke po bo udang don ha ke Nationalist Congress Party nalor kum unong mi khmat ke NPP la ASEAN na Not Tura po ke yang dorba tawaan. Chief Executive Member Jongka JHDC uba Tombor Shiwat nega sngi ulawanra ikamang tingka jong usnam ahajar apulai hadu ahajar apusau aka sngi beningkong jong ke dorbar ka jing khmi lenti ya ka jing yo lum khajna ka long shispa nyopusau klur tingka kat ba ka jing khmi lenti jong ka jing pelut ka long aspa san klur tingka kat ba ka jing pelut lang baro kan long palat ya ka jing yo nong ka bakot sya ka lai phau klur nru phaulak tingka uba Shiwat uba khmi ru ya ka nat pla tingka ula pentip sya ka yeng ba ka jing lut ka khambun ban ya ka jing yo nong naman na ki babun ki daw kum ka jing penkieu ha ka tulop ka jing ai ka dianas allowance ya ki nong trei ki nong yo bam pension bat ki pension segi bahiyeng asam da ka jing pentrei kam ya ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Members Pension Act ahaja khat khandai Kawaipat kamat kabala pensyaya kamat ka dorbar kalong Shepang ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribal First Amendment Rules ahajar apulai kabala wanra da uba winning sungo ubalong u executive member in charge trading by non-tribal.
Raising the attention of the House to the proposed budget estimate for the ensuing fiscal year 2023-24, which were an estimate receipt of rupees 174 crore 59 lakh 38,400.
Katanat Mass Media Department jong St. Anthony's College ringkat kajing trailang bat katanat Journalism and Mass Communication nehu negasngi kala pelong ya kajing lang halo ka Meghalaya State Film Policy. Aba ajing kran u Professor P Panda ubalaong bagi karkhana na film kadai banya trai ringkat bagi karkhana jengok kai pertai kabaya sendriam lang kumju. Aba ajing kran u Dr. Kamalji Chirom ulaong ba habangi don ya kamat trai kam ngila ru bandon ya baro ki jenat ki bangi don kam kumka jingkershan na kabenta ki nong shna film ningkong bat ki nong shna film balarim kenang ban kentiu ya ka jing yo nong uchirom ulak mi lentiru ya ka jingkershan na ki brio ki badan benta ha ka kam shna film kenang ban pen urlong ya ka jing temu jong ke jela.
One is what you call it, and also creating employment avenues for our and it's notified. Then
film industry, the word industry is applied usually to other things and not to films. Films is usually taken as some other form of art. But very interestingly, film is an industrial art form. We call film as an industrial art form. So while it is also a film, it is while it's also an art product, it is also a technical product. So it's a technical product, technical art, which functions in the form of an industry. So the government of India recognized film as an industry 3 decades back. So now we have film industry being recognized as an industry.
Ka kot jong kitup poetry kabla ai kerteng ka brittle ya kabala tho da I Riniki Chakravarti Marwen la pelai nyen kesngi ha Dylan Cafe Shillong da unong roi ba pau nam ka jelai ba lu majau kani ka kot ka dei ka jing lom thup ya ki poetry Shapang Kapor khana bat ka long yeng long sem ka jing iet ka jing du ka jing sa kan mau bat bakum no ilai khun bat ki jing e ki blai kan du ha ka po balawan len shop ka khlam ubak majau hakane ka jing pelat ya ka thup poetry ula pule kat tu kat ne ki bentana ka kot ka bekerteng ka brittle ringkat lang bat ka rikini ya kane ka kot la bantiet na ka rensan e-commerce ki bapau bat na ki jakat dekot ki balajet kerpang hapo kari.
The brittle, very, very interesting. And it's not for me to recite a poem because the best thing is, by doing that, I will cripple the economy. So the idea not to cripple the economy is by buying brittle. Okay, please do that. And keep on reading and enjoy reading. And as far as reading in Shillong, forget about Shillong. It's the entire Northeast, is the entire country. We have Art and Culture Hall, which has tons and tons and tons of books. You won't believe it. Every year, the government is spending crores of rupees to buy the books.
Mentapan ini pej ya kajing long jaman kasu meneng Shillong kajing shit kalong 4.5 degree Celsius bat kajing kreat kalong kat 4.5 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong rup hau nak shispa men step ban rup nyo nak shispa jan miet kasu meneng kan rang ha Shillong. Sa sisian pan ipen kan mawi pi bai kan ni ka khubor jengi pila ban pej ha ka ju hi ka por ha ka YouTube channel bat rup pila ban pej i khubor mamala ka sngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bat ka Instagram jong ka Didi News Shillong. Syaban poi syak bekut jong ketuk kubor ni pek biang sa ASEAN ni kini kimat bekong san. Play umudi bat umentri rang ba du ke Australia ya ke Friendship Hall of Fame ha Ahmedabad. Penyanyi Konrad Sangma ia ke jingelang beningkong ke kenhun Menteri Kesokar MDA 2. Syajid Thomas E Sangma kum ulam phang bathamai ke yang darbar thau an ke jela Mat sedang da darbar mang tingka ba arsngi ke Janty Hills Autonomous District Council Teparlok katung ila poi sebekut jong ketuk kubor jeng mentaga janmit hadu bagi nisem pilasai ke sengi hagajuk kepo kubli shibuni pibaro